Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're taking a close look at Cove Balm.
Right, that $39 serum-boosted skin tint balm you see everywhere online.
Exactly. It's pushed really hard as this amazing makeup and skincare hybrid.
Yeah, the marketing talks up, what, 8 skin-loving ingredients?
And this special HA plus technology sounds very fancy.
It does.
So our mission here is to cut through that influencer hype, those perfect before and afters, and figure out, is this stuff actually a breakthrough or is it basically just a scam?
Well, anytime a single product claims it can do, like, 8 different things perfectly,
Yeah.
that's usually worth a second look, right? It makes you wonder.
Okay.
And honestly, when we looked into the HA plus technology, it really just boiled down to standard, pretty low concentration filler.
So the anti-aging claims.
Pretty much unsubstantiated, yeah.
Right.
But that's not even the main story here, surprisingly. It's more about how they operate.
Okay, let's unpack the marketing side first, though. The pitch is smart. I'll give them that. Well, they promise that easy, no makeup look,
Right, very popular.
but also claim it actively plumps fine lines. That's a pretty serious anti-aging claim for just a tinted balm you swipe on.
Wait, yeah, a swipe-on balm doing active anti-aging. That sounds like a stretch. Either they don't understand how skincare delivery works, or maybe it's just, pushing it a bit far.
Aggressive exaggeration, maybe?
It could be. And what's really interesting, kind of a red flag that popped up in the source material,
What's that?
is how much they emphasize that Cove Balm is specifically not a stick foundation.
Huh. Why deny what it isn't?
Exactly. One analysis actually compared it to starting a chat with, "I definitely didn't steal your lunch money."
Okay, I see.
It's this weird tactic of denying something up front, almost like they're trying to fight off some negative idea people already have.
But okay, that marketing quirk isn't even the worst part you're saying.
Not even close. To get to the real issues, you have to look past the product claims.
At the actual user experience
Yeah.
and the company's practices?
Precisely. And that's where things got, well, pretty alarming.
How so? What did people say?
Customer reviews were brutal, calling it total rubbish, a complete scam.
Wow.
And worse, there were these really specific claims, people saying the company actually used totally different products in their promo videos to get those results.
No way. So faking the demos.
Described as weapons-grade false advertising. That's pretty serious.
Yikes. Okay.
But the biggest red flag, the really critical finding, was about the sales structure.
What about it?
Customers were finding themselves automatically sign up for monthly subscriptions they never agreed to.
Oh, come on. The hidden subscription trap.
Textbook classic predatory dropshipping tactics. You buy the $39 balm once.
And suddenly you're getting billed every month.
Exactly. Recurring fees you never wanted. And when people tried to cancel or get refunds,
Oh, yes. Difficult.
apparently the strategy is just to ignore them until they give up. People had to go fight it through their banks.
That is awful. So the takeaway isn't really about whether the $39 balm is okay or not?
Right? It's much bigger. It's about a business model that seems designed to deceive people into unwanted payments.
And the sources suggested, what, sticking with known brands like Glossier or Rare Beauty?
Yeah, brands known for decent tinted moisturizers that, don't pull these kinds of billing tricks.
Makes sense.
So, stepping back, the real lesson for you, the listener, is you've got to look beyond just the ingredient list or the marketing hype.
You mean look at the company itself?
Absolutely. Before you click buy on some hot new thing online, especially if it feels a bit too good to be true, check out their reputation for customer service. How transparent is their billing?
Yeah.
Or is it, murky?
That's really crucial. So maybe a final thought for everyone listening.
Yeah.
The next time you see an ad, maybe a sponsored post promising some revolutionary formula, what questions should you be asking yourself about their refund policy, about subscriptions, before you even start thinking about the anti-aging claims?
Good question. Because the company's integrity, how they treat you after the sale, that tells you way more than the hype ever will.